So our next award goes to the CARS Process Improvement Initiative, and this is under the Human Services category. And this is a Community Assistance and Resource Services, CARS, staff-driven initiative to improve customer service. And I think the really important piece of that is that it's staff-driven. This was thought up by the folks right here in this room that tried to find a way to better improve how they interacted amongst themselves from a team standpoint, also interacted with their customers, and in the end they were able to set an example, I think, for other counties about what's the best practice both from an internal and an external customer standpoint. And it was a cross-training effort for all the staff, and it created a balance in workload and amongst all the team members, so everyone felt like they were working together as a team as they helped the customers moving forward. So thank you for coming up with that initiative, and you really deserve this nationwide award. That's great. So come on up.
So thanks. Like she said, it was indeed staff-driven. It was indeed staff-driven. It was their idea. The demand for public assistance has just skyrocketed over the last year to 2 years, and the work was so heavy, and they couldn't get it all done. And so by doing the process improvement, they were able to actually get it done and leave each day and feel better about it and respond to the demand. So thanks.
So the next award goes to the Healthy Kids project, and this is really a pretty remarkable effort to increase access to health benefits for children and families in Boulder County, and to assure that those children have a medical home, a place to go on a regular basis for their medical care. And Boulder County historically has had a pretty high percentage of children who were not enrolled in the low-income health insurance that was available. And this has been a partnership with school districts and family health centers to get eligibility technicians out there and get kids and families enrolled into Medicaid and into the Children's Health Insurance Program. And in the first year, there were almost 2,000 families that were enrolled in these programs and to get health coverage and food assistance. And I think the benefits of that are pretty darn obvious. It was an interesting thing for me to watch my next door neighbor, where struggling single mother with a couple of children, and the ex-husband ended up having a serious medical issue that all of a sudden cut off all of the income that he'd been bringing into the family. And they were very rapidly enrolled in this program because they'd heard about it at school, and was able to see firsthand the kind of difference it was making in people's lives. So thanks to everybody involved in the Healthy Kids project, and come on up.
Good afternoon, everyone. So as some of you may know, Boulder County Healthy Kids first started off as a small outreach and enrollment project with only 3 members, and we have definitely expanded. We currently have developed partnerships with the Boulder Valley School District, with the St. Vrain Valley School District, with Clinica Family Health Services, and with Salud Family Health Centers. We've outstationed eligibility technicians at each site to help screen and enroll families into Medicaid and CHP Plus health insurance program. As mentioned, these eligibility technicians have become trusted members of their organization and their surrounding community. I'd like to just really acknowledge the staff right now and say thank you so much, because we have in the first year enrolled 2,000 people into the program. So that's pregnant women, families, and children in Medicaid and CHP Plus with all 4 sites combined. So a quote from someone unknown: "Teamwork divides the task and multiplies the success." I'd like to give thanks to the community-based team, Megan Graham, Amy Reddy, Melissa Formby, Jennifer Luizzi, Maria Monsivay Romo, and Yadira Gutierrez. I'd also like to thank my manager, May Sue, who's been incredibly supportive, Stephanie Arnales, who is also part of the Healthy Kids team, Dawn Joyce, who wrote the grant for the school-based program, Christina Ostrom, who has been the founder of this, and Jennifer Eads as well. I'd like to thank the county commissioners for their support of this project, and also our community partners, who is Salud Family Health Center, Clinic of Family Health Services, the Boulder Valley School District, and St. Vrain Valley School District. Thank you.